system in pharmaceutical industry. Biological waste produced by pharmaceutical and gene therapy manufacturing and R&D processes, is considered hazardous to human health and therefore requires inactivation before it can be safely discharged to the sewer. Common methods for performing this deactivation utilize either heat, which elevates and holds temperature to destroy any existing living microorganisms, or chemicals, which are injected and held at specific concentrations, required to eliminate biological waste. Following inactivation, wastewater can be safely discharged to the city sewer. Biokill systems are available in multiple sizes and configurations, which are continuous thermal bio-waste inactivation system and batch bio-waste inactivation system. Continuous thermal bio-waste inactivation system is a skid-mounted thermal biological inactivation unit that uses heat and a continuous flow, measured in gallons per minute, to elevate and hold a high temperature to destroy living microorganisms and biological wastes on a continuous basis. Cooling water and heat exchangers are used to cool the waste stream prior to discharging from the skid. Also, instrumentation installed on the discharge piping monitors and records the effluent temperature, hold time, and flow of the waste being discharged. If for any reason the wastewater does not meet dischargeable specifications, the control system automatically recirculates it back to the holding tank for retreatment. Batch bio-waste inactivation system is a skid-mounted thermal biological inactivation unit that uses heat and a custom-sized holding tank to elevate and hold a high temperature to destroy living microorganisms and biological wastes. Ideal for intermittent flows or batch dumps, bio-waste is held in one tank for a predetermined amount of time, to kill harmful pathogens. Once desired hold time has been reached, cooling water is used to cool the waste stream prior to discharging from the skid. Instrumentation installed on the discharge piping monitors and records the effluent temperature, hold time, and volume of the waste being discharged. Wastewater is never discharged before by-waste discharge permit specifications are met. Some standard components in Biokill skid: stainless steel or fiberglass holding tank, stainless steel piping, steam heating heat exchanger, thermal retention for complete deactivation, cooling heat exchanger, single-stage treatment systems, alternating duplex transfer pumps with inlet strainers, control panel, PLC-based control system, pump discharge out of compliance prevention system. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, and give your feedback in the comments.